Hey friends! Have you ever heard of castor oil? This natural remedy has been around forever, and guess what? It might just solve a bunch of health problems while you sleep. 10 genius ways to use castor oil you'll wish you knew sooner. Section 1. Boost immunity with belly button oil. Alright, this might sound strange, but stay with me. Rubbing castor oil on your belly button before bed is an old-school trick to support your immune system. That area is full of nerves, and when you massage castor oil in, you're giving your body a gentle healing boost. How to do it? Lie down. Apply a few drops to your belly button. Massage in circular motions. Sleep and let the oil do its thing. Section 2. Heal cracked lips naturally. Tired of lip balm that does nothing? Try castor oil. It's packed with fatty acids and vitamin E, perfect for healing dry, chapped lips overnight. Dab it on before bed. Wake up with lips that are soft, smooth, and kiss-ready. Section 3. Smooth out cracked heels. Dry, cracked heels ruining your summer sandals vibe? Castor oil's thick consistency penetrates deep and hydrates your feet like a dream. Nightly routine. Apply oil. Massage into heels. Slip on cotton socks. Wake up with baby soft feet. Section 4. Grow thicker eyebrows. Overplucked or thinning brows? You're not alone. A nightly swipe of castor oil can actually help regrow hair and fill in sparse spots. Use a clean mascara wand or cotton swab to apply. Give it a few weeks and thank yourself later. Section 5. Banish dark circles and puffiness. Puffy eyes? Dark circles? You don't need another concealer. What you need is castor oil. It's anti-inflammatory and super hydrating for that delicate under-eye skin. Gently dab a drop under each eye at bedtime and watch the magic happen. Section 6. Ease lower back pain. Been sitting too long? Lower back pain kicking in? Castor oil's anti-inflammatory properties can help relieve muscle tension. Massage it in before bed, and for extra relief, add a warm towel. You'll feel the difference by morning. Section 7. Stimulate hair growth. Struggling with thinning hair? Massage castor oil into your scalp to nourish follicles and improve circulation. It may help reduce hair loss and boost growth. Leave it in overnight and wash it out in the morning with a gentle shampoo. Section 8. Speed up wound healing. Got small cuts or scratches? Castor oil's antibacterial powers help prevent infection and promote faster healing. Apply after cleaning the wound, morning and night, for best results. Just avoid open, deep wounds. Section 9. Strengthen weak nails. Brittle nails breaking like crazy? Massage castor oil into your nails and cuticles each night to keep them strong, shiny, and healthy. It boosts blood flow to the nail bed and keeps them hydrated naturally. Section 10. Say goodbye to dandruff. Flaky scalp? Castor oil fights dandruff by targeting the fungus and deeply moisturizing your scalp. Apply to scalp, leave on for 30 minutes, or overnight, then rinse with a gentle shampoo. Repeat 2 to 3 times a week for results you'll see and feel. Before you dive in, here are some quick castor oil tips. Always do a patch test first. Use only pure, cold-pressed organic oil. Don't use too much, a few drops go a long way. Avoid open wounds or sensitive skin unless cleared by a doctor. Use a towel to protect fabrics, it stains. Castor oil is a total game changer, and now you know exactly how to use it for glowing skin, healthier hair, and even pain relief. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, hit that subscribe button, and share it with someone who needs these natural tips. Got your own castor oil hack? Comment below, we'd love to hear it. See you in the next video for more natural wellness tips.